What is crypto? Cryptocurrency, commonly known as crypto, is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, such as dollars or rupees, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. Number 1. Binance. Features: wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading options, low fees, futures trading, staking, and more. Availability: supports PKR deposits through third-party services. Security: high security with 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage. Number 2. Coinbase. Features: user-friendly interface, a broad range of cryptocurrencies, educational resources, and secure storage options. Availability: while direct PKR deposits might not be supported, users can use international cards or bank transfers. Security: industry-leading security features, insurance coverage on stored assets. Number 3. Crypto.com. Features: cryptocurrency trading, staking, crypto credit cards, and DeFi services. Availability: supports global users and offers multiple payment methods. Security: high security standards with 2FA, hardware security modules, and insured assets. Number 4. Local Bitcoins. Features: peer-to-peer trading platform, allowing users to buy and sell Bitcoin directly with others in their region. Availability: supports PKR for transactions, allowing users to trade directly with local buyers/sellers. Security: escrow service for transactions, 2FA, and reputation-based system for traders. Number 5. Kraken. Features: extensive range of cryptocurrencies, margin trading, futures, and staking options. Availability: supports international users with various deposit methods. Security: high security with 2FA, cold storage, and encrypted communications. These apps provide a range of features suitable for both beginners and advanced users, offering various options for trading, investing, and securely storing cryptocurrencies in Pakistan. How to get benefits from crypto. Investment and trading. Number 1. Long-term investment. Buy and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, hoping their value will increase over time. Trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies on exchanges to take advantage of price fluctuations. Number 2. Staking and yield farming. Staking. Participate in the network's operations by locking up your cryptocurrency in a wallet to support blockchain operations, like validating transactions, and earn rewards. Yield farming. Provide liquidity to decentralized finance platforms and earn interest or other rewards. Number 3. Decentralized finance. Use DeFi platforms to lend, borrow, or earn interest on your cryptocurrencies without the need for traditional banks. Number 4. Payments and remittances. Use cryptocurrencies to make payments or transfer money across borders quickly and with lower fees compared to traditional banking systems. Number 5. NFTs, Non-Fungible Tokens. Invest in digital assets and collectibles, like art, music, and virtual real estate, that are represented as NFTs on the blockchain. Number 6. Hedging against inflation. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, are sometimes viewed as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Number 7. Participate in ICOs, initial coin offerings. Invest in new cryptocurrency projects during their ICO stage to potentially earn high returns if the project succeeds. Key features of cryptocurrencies. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. Security. Cryptographic techniques are used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Anonymity. While transactions are transparent, the identities of the parties involved can remain anonymous or pseudonymous. Immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Started with crypto. Educate yourself. Learn about the basics of blockchain technology and different cryptocurrencies. Choose a reliable exchange. Select a trusted cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken to buy, sell, and store your crypto. Create a wallet. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet, hardware, software, or paper wallet to securely store your assets. Start small. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the market. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency world to make informed decisions. Security measures. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams.